the KI.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I am a busy mom of 3 kids, okay? So if you're anything like me, okay, there's never enough time to do anything, let alone take care of self, okay? But if 2020 hasn't taught me anything, that is to take care of myself, put myself first. It's okay to say no, and it is okay to give yourself a little bit of me time. So I decided to purchase some self-care products, and I have been seeing this box here, this Therabox. I've been seeing this online constantly, and it's like, get the box, girl, get the box. Okay, so I finally decided to get it. I'm excited to unbox it for you all to see what is inside. And yes, I paid for this with my own money. This is not, okay, a paid video. All right, no company decided to send this. So I will have all the information across the screen for you guys if you're interested in learning about this box, as well as down below in the comments, okay, pinned in the comments and in the description, so that you guys can get on this self-care kick as well, because it is very important, moms, wives, girlfriends, single people, whatever you are in the mix, to take care of yourself. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Okay, let me just point this out first. This is so cute. I love the way that they have this wrapped up all nice and neat. And if you look closely there, it has a little message, and it says, I wish you, is this every? I wish you every happiness, okay? With a little birdie on there. I seriously was just about to purchase something similar to this. I'm glad it is not in my cart because I don't have to buy it now. Okay, this is Mind Cards, daily cards for a more fulfilling life. Okay, I love things like this. These are these like positive affirmation cards. And this one has 45 of them in there. And they say that this is teaching you different techniques and habits to bring more calm, happiness, and perspective to your life. And it's split into 5 categories. You all have no idea how excited I am right now. I mean, you seriously have no idea. It says they're split into 5 parts, which is ritual, journal, kindness, gratitude, and reflection. How cool is that? So yeah, let me go ahead and do a quick sneak peek for you guys. Okay, they're listed like this. Okay, so you have ritual. Okay, they're broken into those different parts. Perfection. So let's go ahead and pull apart. Let's go ahead and pull this first card. Ritual. This one says, spend 10 minutes concentrating on nothing but making and drinking a cup of coffee or tea. Focus on all the smells, the sounds, the taste, the feelings you get associated with the process. I literally do this every single morning. I have to have a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. Usually it's a cup of coffee, okay? Preferably the Starbucks or the McDonald's brand that I buy. Yeah, I'm addicted to coffee. Is this some type of drink? This is from Boy. This is an easy squeezing immunity drink, okay? And let's see what else they have. Okay, it's full of like vitamins A, B, C, D, E, zinc, herbal blends, electrolytes. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a fan of those kind of nutritional drinks because they usually just taste yucky. But if you guys watch my unboxings, preferably from the Daily Goodie Box, yes, I'm promoting the Daily Goodie Box. You guys can check that playlist out when you're done with this video. Yeah, but as you guys know, I always give items a try, okay? Don't just say you don't like it, try it. Oh. It's the smell for me. I don't like the smell. I'm doing this for you all, first of all. I'm doing this for you. Okay, here's the thing. I may have made some ugly faces, but it's really not that bad. Of course, you're supposed to put a little bit of this in a cup of whatever you're drinking. Let me just say this. I would strongly suggest that you mix this with a cup of orange juice, preferably my favorite, which is simply orange juice, okay? Because you're not going to taste it. Because it tastes like simply with salt. It tastes like simply salt. So yeah, it's not that bad. I was just being a big baby. Next one. This one is Mercier Cosmetics, okay? Mercier Cosmetics has sent something over. I'm guessing this is lipstick. Oh, I like the way it's made. Okay, Mercier. Yeah, it's lipstick. Not a bad color either. Okay. This is not a bad color. Do I think it might be my color? Honestly, it looks a lot darker in person than it does as if it's coming up in this video. I do believe that this will look really good. See, it's not bad. It's just, that's one of those ones where if you're a sister, okay, preferably of the richer, darker tone, I would suggest you put this on and then put like a darker lip at the top so that you won't look like a chalkboard. Yeah. It can work. It can work. Okay. It has a lot of that confetti looking stuff in here. This, what they call this? Box stuff. Yeah, they could have eliminated some of that because it's a lot. All right, so this next thing here is the Gemstone Sheet Mask Collection. Ooh. All right, so you get, I guess, 4 masks inside of here. First of all, I love the design of this box. So this jade mask is the Balance Mind plus Soothe Skin. The next one is the Citrine Sheet Mask, and this is Happy Mind and Nourish Skin. This next one is Sapphire, Relax the Mind and Hydrate the Skin. And the last one is Recharge Your Mind and Restore Skin. Cool. Very excited to try those. This one it was a spoon in here and it fell out. It says to the moon and back. Love you to the moon. I love you to the spoon and back. Love you to the spoon and back. Okay. So, is this just for decoration? Oh, a sweet lip mask. So, apply even amount of the mask on the makeup and leave for 3 to 5 minutes. Oh, to makeup free lips. Wash off your lips with water. A tingling sensation is normal. That means it's working. Cool. Okay. I like that. Oh, it's pretty. Is that? Oh, okay. Yeah, with the little hearts there. That's pretty. Okay. I want to see what it smells like. I bet it smells so good. It does. It smells like that gum, Bubblicious. Oh, it smells like Bubblicious. Oh, and it has the hearts all the way through it. I thought that was just a jar. But no, you see there's a little heart right there on my thumb. Yeah. Smells so good, my goodness. So, I still don't know, what is that spoon? I'm curious, okay, what's the purpose of a spoon? Okay, here we go. Here's the purpose of the spoon. So it says, love you to the spoon and back. And this is a $15 spoon. Need a reminder of how much the universe loves you? How about a reminder 3 days a week during delicious meals? A stainless steel vintage inspired spoon. Oh, that's literally what it is. Okay, so basically while you're eating, you're always constantly reminded that, you know, you're loved. Okay, cute. That's actually cute and different. Okay, now I feel more special, and this will be good for my cereal. Yes, I love cereal a lot. So the next one here is from Skin & Company Roma, and this is the Truffle Therapy. Oh, this is big. That's a huge face toner. My goodness. Smell time. Ooh. Oh, that smells good. Okay, I will be using that immediately. Okay, so this one is this full spectrum CBD face plumper. Collagen cream. Okay, this is a full spectrum from Luxe Beauty Club. A face plumper. What the hell? Let's see. Promotes collagen production while diminishing age, spots, and fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, okay. Okay. I can't smell it right now, but squeeze out a little bit. There it goes. Okay. It got on my nose. Okay. It's not the best smell, but as long as it does what it says, okay, work on the fine lines and wrinkles, then I see nothing wrong with that. So yeah, Luxe Beauty. So is that it? Oh, okay. So that is it. I will say these are some really nice items. As you guys can probably tell, that my favorite thing in the box so far are the mind cards, okay? Because this is something that I definitely was looking for online. So very excited about having that. And of course, the mask and everything. So here's my question to you. Do you like what is in this month's box or last month's box? And would this be something that you feel is worth the price? Now, me personally, I would like to get another box. So if you guys like this, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and then I will sign up and get another box and let you guys see that if you need to look a little longer before deciding whether or not this Therabox is for you. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next unboxing. Bye.